Creating a sustainable homestead plan is essential for anyone looking to achieve long-term self-sufficiency. Start by assessing your space. Take note of sunlight, water sources, and existing plants. This helps in deciding which crops to grow. Next, set clear goals. Do you want to focus on food production, animal husbandry, or perhaps renewable energy? Each decision impacts your overall layout and resource management. Consider integrating permaculture principles. Designing your farm to work with nature, not against it. Incorporate companion planting to boost crop yields and control pests naturally. Chickens can provide eggs and assist in pest management, while bees contribute to pollination and honey production. It's vital to create a diverse ecosystem that supports itself. Additionally, think about water conservation techniques, such as rainwater harvesting or drip irrigation, to ensure sustainability during dry spells. Finally, educate yourself continuously. Join local homesteading groups, attend workshops, and read extensively. Engage with experienced homesteaders who can offer invaluable insights. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a thriving and self-sufficient homestead, embracing a lifestyle that nourishes you, your family, and the planet.